Alright guys, Dustin back with Lucky 7 Landscaping. I just wanted to show y'all this. This is the back part of the property. We've still got about maybe another 75 to 80 feet back behind the camera. But I just wanted to show y'all, you know, this is pasture grass. This is another property. This is about 3.2 acres that we cut for this lady. And you know, this is just the representation of what we want to leave behind. You know, we want to leave, you know, just a good signature on here. Yes, you see the lines are curved, and the reason being is because of the curvature of the property along with the pool and stuff like that. So it just gives it that good dynamic effect. It doesn't, you know, necessarily have to be straight, but this is something that we love to do. You know, we create something different, you know, within every couple weeks. You know, next week or the week or two after that, you know, we may come back and we may do a checkered pattern, we may do a zigzag, you know, it just depends, and we'll upload more videos for that. But I just wanted to show y'all an example of what we, you know, offer here at Lucky 7 for the lawn care side. Like this is, you know, this is just a small little touch of what we do. As you can see, Mary's up there getting everything trimmed. So I'm going to go up there and do some backup, get that stuff taken care of, and you know, just see you on the next one, guys. We appreciate y'all.